Good morning, H3 Crewzers. Welcome back to the channel. It is the final sea day here on board the Carnival Panorama for the first two inaugural cruises. I'm upset because I'm going back home tomorrow. But found out some interesting information today. Carnival Mardi Gras, or Mardi Gras' first 8 sailings were canceled due to the ship building taking too long and falling behind schedule. So the new inaugural is November 14th. Pretty crazy, right? Now, obviously, this is uploaded pretty late, and I probably have something on my Facebook. But if you're interested in booking any travel, before I even get into this episode, remember to go to facebook.com and search H3 Family Travel. You'll find my travel page, and let me know, send me a message, and I'll take care of any of your bookings. Now, let's get on with our day. Well, guys, it is an interesting day. We are here. Savannah, as you can see, is, if I can rotate my finger right, she's napping. She didn't feel so well. I don't know if something she ate or whatever it was. She was in Camp Ocean. All of a sudden she said she didn't feel well and threw up right after they called me to tell me that that she wanted to take a nap. Call me on this phone here. But other than that, I want to talk about the crew on board Carnival Panorama. Amazing crew. I have become close friends with so many crew members on this ship. It is insane. We're having back and forth on my personal Facebook page about hiding me in a lifeboat. But, yeah, that's not happening. Sadly, I got to be off the ship tomorrow. I wish I could just stay on board. Hide Savannah and Savannah just stay in Camp Ocean every day and have fun growing up on Carnival Panorama, and I just stay right here on this ship. Would be great, right? Would be amazing. But can't do it. This ship is huge. Trying to get everything recorded on 10 days while you're on vacation. Sorry, I had a yawn. It's hard, and I still got to pack as well and try to enjoy the last night. Unpack everything up, just shove everything in the suitcases. I think I'm going to stick with what I'm already wearing now, my black on black. The only thing I'm going to change tomorrow is really my bare feet. Tomorrow I'm not getting off the ship barefoot, so got to put my regular shoes back on, learn how to walk in those, because I forgot how to walk with soles. It's different when you've been walking barefoot all week and you can feel the ground all week. But guys, got more to do. I'm going to try to get some more footage throughout the day, and I really hope I got enough footage from this week. There's so much on my phone, it is ridiculous. I'm scrolling through it. It takes me 10 minutes to scroll through all the videos on my phone, and I have to organize all that when I get home. I got to literally go through every video and go, okay, this goes in this folder, this goes in that folder, this goes in this folder. And then once I do that, then I got to start editing each video. And it's going to be hard and a lot of work. So I hope you've been patient with me while I've gotten all these edited, uploaded, because it's the last sea day and the last real video from this cruise. It's amazing. I hope you get the chance to enjoy Carnival Panorama and the crew. And I'm actually going to do another video specifically talking about the crew, because the crew on this ship is absolutely amazing. So anyways, let's get on with our day. I see my guy Boris over here. I see Boris. It's recording.
Very nice.
Boris. This is my 10th one.
Wow.
And then 4 or 5 in the next one. Good.
Keep it up.
I'm trying. See you later, Boris. Anyways, back to my dinner table. Had a little issue. Had to go back down to the room. So, by the way. My table's all alone.
Again. This is my table. Say hello to my table.
My table's nice. So it's 9:30 at night. Hello. And got most of the recording that I need to do done. Now just to figure out where I'm at. I think I'm aft. There's not very many elevators back here. There's only 2. But I just got a couple more things to film. Savannah wants to go to the atrium party. So I'm going to get her now. I also got to go take the phone back. Yep. See, gotta take the phone back and return it to Carnival. No more extension numbers. So, anyways, guys. Oh, I don't want to walk by waterworks. I got bare feet on. But I'm gonna end up walking by it anyways. That is actually really cool to look at. These water slides come down. This one's fast. That one I didn't go too fast on. But it's been a great 10 days on this ship. It's so sad that tomorrow we will be off the ship. What are they watching? I don't even know what movie this is. But anyways, I gotta go get Savannah, and I will continue on later. Guys, I've been wandering around the ship for a little bit. I had some pizza and stuff, and Savannah's still not feeling too well, so she's relaxing watching Aladdin, and Brad's watching Aladdin with her. But I just got stopped by security because she noticed something. I got regular shoes on. And she's like, where's the bare feet? I went, I gotta prepare myself for the morning because this is actually kind of weird. I've been in bare feet all week except when I went on the bridge. So I had 20 minutes this entire week, the last 9 days where I wasn't wearing bare feet besides going over to Walmart, which I was wearing flip-flops. I haven't had actual shoes on in 9 days really except for 20 minutes. So I'm walking around and this feels weird. Like, I gotta like reteach myself how to walk with shoes. I don't like it. But I gotta be up in just a few hours because Amina and Boris from the dining room that I'm in towards the front of the ship, they're gonna be here for our breakfast time. And I gotta say bye to them one last time. I gotta go upstairs and see if my buddy Chris and everybody's playing. I wanna say bye to as many people as I possibly can in a very short time. So I'm like trying to run around, get the last. I gotta film Serenity Deck because that's really all I've missed. I got part of the spa, but I wasn't able to record all of it just because they wouldn't let me record everything I needed to. But luckily, my buddy is actually over here. We're gonna walk over. Oh, and Job Joe. Oh wait, yep, Job. Hey, how's it going? Still recording right now. So we got Adam over here. We got Chris over here. My buddy Chris. Oh, I want to say one. But anyways, if I don't see you for the rest of the night, I had to come up and say bye to everyone. Before April, no. I wish. I got April, I have inspiration, and I can show you who I'm talking to over here. But I got inspiration in April, Valor in June, possibly Radiant in June, possibly Panorama in December, maybe. March from Miracle in January 2021. So, have a good night. very busy schedule. But have a good one. Take care. Request Pedro request as well. But I know you guys are finishing up now. On to more people, not me. Not as entertaining as me this whole week. By the way, you notice anything?
Whoa! We're gonna get a group photo.
What happened?
Have a good night. I'm gonna miss this guy. That's my buddy Chris. He's been talking for months all the way up to here. But stickers, guys. You know you have stickers.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, we got stickers. No more Walmart tours with me.
Not for now.
For now. Until you end up on a different ship I'm on.
Yeah, that's true. The Radiance next September.
Yeah, but it's going to be on in June.
That's true. You'll like it so much you'll want to come back.
Wait, is it?
You'll be in New York by then, yeah, for a little bit.
But, I will see you later. Hopefully I see you before we get off.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll be on.
I'm going to message you. If not, I'll call you on the phone. And check this out.
Woohoo!
Web
show, lady.
Yes, I've been running around like crazy. She's been trying to get me like all week. All 7 days, and I've been.
Tomorrow, right?
I've actually my car is not parked here. I have to ride with Scott, so like I don't know.
Oh, okay.
It's like load up and go and get my car and straight back to Vegas.
Figure something out during the year.
We definitely got to figure something out. Yes, but the cruise is over. How'd you enjoy your cruise?
Mainly vlogging and editing.
I haven't even gotten to the editing. I have scrolling through all my videos. I have over 20 minutes of scrolling.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's overwhelming, guys. There's so much work to do, and I hope I even have enough content for the daily vlog. I still got to go up to Serenity Deck and film. I didn't get enough recording of the spa area. They wouldn't let me record
Oh,
it.
yeah, I didn't even go to the spa.
They didn't let
go to
me.
the gym in the morning, though.
I recorded the gym, but they wouldn't let me record everything in the spa. So, like they said, if you're not with Carnival, I'm like, really?
Really?
I don't know what it was, but that was what they told me.
Tell the captain sent you.
Yeah, Captain Carlos sent me. Okay, we got more people to say bye to, and Java Joe is one of them.
Guys,
There's a guy.
happy Christmas
Al told me
and
about
happy
him.
New Year. It's been a pleasure.
Hey, you're over here with Flash tonight, huh?
Have a wonderful evening.
And we
Here
said,
morning?
Mocha Martin is here tomorrow.
Here.
Have a whole sign off.
yeah, Java Joe is out till the new guests come.
See you soon.
Yes, if you're on the ship, make sure you say Barefoot H3 Family Vlog sent you to Java Joe.
Now I milk the cow for tomorrow morning.
He's got to go milk the cow right now.
Can I get a water from you?
Take care, Java Joe.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
See ya.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Java Joe's awesome. Love Java Joe. Even though I don't really drink coffee too much, but it's all good. Another issue I'm having with my pants. They're getting caught under my shoes, which I'm not used to that problem either, because the bare feet hold it, keep my pants above the shoe line. And we got more H3 Crewzers coming up. Hello. It's like I got to get used to souls by morning. See, I'm getting called out again. More called out. Any H3 Crewzer on board is an awesome H3 Crewzer. All H3 Crewzers are awesome. So how's it been going?
Good.
You ready to get off?
No,
I'm not either.
I don't want to. Do we have to?
No.
Can't we stay here forever?
The crew members are hiding me in Lifeboat 7.
Oh, there you go.
Can I come too? I only take up this much space.
I got to check which one's Lifeboat 7. That's
Still do dishes.
I'll let John Hill know, right? We'll see you.
Okay, where's the slippers?
Yeah, where's your slippers?
Yeah.
They're calling me out.
Where's your slippers?
So I had to pack everything up, and I gotta be soul ready for souls. I gotta teach myself how to walk with shoes again before the morning.
I will go on your.
She's now an H3 Crewzer as well.
I just
Which
followed
means
you
we
on
gotta do this.
Instagram.
We gotta do this. Take a quick photo, and that's gonna be uploaded. And if you're following on Instagram, that means
I will.
Yeah, I
upload
just
that as
followed
well.
you.
Definitely.
I appreciate that you are now an H3 Crewzer, which is
Yeah.
awesome. So say hello to the H3 Crewzers.
Hi, everyone.
And I got to continue my tour around the ship to say bye to all the crew members that I'm going to miss. They become like family. It's sad. The saddest part of 10 days. Anyways, take care. Have a good night. Don't drink too much on the last night.
Heck no.
You got to be up early. I got to be up at 6:30 in the morning, 6:30, so I can eat in the Vista dining room to say bye to some more crew members.
Aw. Well, it was nice meeting you and seeing you around.
Well, nice to meet you. And again, I'm Nick, so thank you for subscribing. And make sure you get on the YouTube and everything else.
I do, all the time.
Yep. Take care.
Take care.
And now, let's see. Do I know anyone here? No. Oh, that guy is showed up on my friends list, or suggested friends list. I was just talking, I don't know if it was being recorded, but with Facebook. If you work for Carnival Cruise Lines, Facebook just assumes I know you. In fact, this guy right there pops up on my friend's suggestion. And I'm like, I recognize that guy. He works here at Big and Anchor. He makes the brew. He's the brewmaster. But I don't know the other people here. And I haven't met him, so I'm not actually going to stop and say hi to him. Because, I don't know. Are any of my photos up here? Anything? Nope. None of my photos. None. Sad. There's so much going on. I'm surprised no one was at the Pig and Anchor, because that's where everyone hangs out. They're probably all here at the Alchemy Bar now. So, anybody? I gotta look. Let's see. Anybody I knew? Not offhand. Maybe the casino? Oh, and I gotta go film over here in the library. So 1 minute, I will be right back because I gotta go actually film the library for the ship tour, and I still gotta work my way up to Serenity Deck to record. So we got that as well. Well, guys, it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna grab myself some more pizza, but we're here on Lido, well, just above Lido, and not much more I can do. I've pretty much found everyone that I can at this point in time, said my byes. The rest I got to find in the morning before getting off the ship. Like at breakfast, I got to say bye to Boris and Amina again. Those two are amazing. Really hoping to find my favorite bartender from the Liquid Lounge before getting off the ship, because, you know, I haven't seen her either. But she follows on Facebook or on Instagram, and I follow her, so I'll be able to say bye if I don't. Other than that, I gotta get some pizza, and I just realized I still gotta do a smoking video and all the smoking spots. So let's get right to that, I guess. And that's it for tonight's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care, everyone. Thank you for watching. Again, like, subscribe, follow. Like, subscribe, follow. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Take care, everyone. I'm out.